and welcome back to another new video. So today we are going to do fishing. So this video is quite different as I regularly upload. So this is gonna be very natural and kind of bit of wild. So no. This is to collect the fish when you catch it, and this is the fishing net. And I'm crossing river. So recently 2 people died by the crocodile attack over here fishing. So this is a little bit scary. So
नीचा बचाइन्छ खै त्यसको बढी मिस के हो
what's it got? Oh, it's a small eel. A very small eel. So as you can see, lovely. Oh, very tiny. Yeah.
बरारी माछा ले रम्मा बरारी क्याटफिस टाङ्गौँ जल्दी यार एउटा बरारी खोइ पत्ती.
So I think he got another eel. So let's see. Oh, lovely.
चम्से
So we were fishing, but the weather got unexpectedly changed and it started to be stormy.
Oh, yeah, the climate साथ हिँड्छ.
So we are heading up to home now. Look, this guy, lanky fellow. Whoa. There we go. Oh. Look at the clouds. So this is the very dark cloud. I think it's going to be heavy rainfall, and it started to rain already. Thundering. Oh, it's a heavy rainfall. Woo. So it's a quite different type of rainfall as compared to England. This is completely look. Oh. So we are taking shelter in a house near the river. So it's a very, very strong river. So, and the rainfall is crazy, as you can see. I close all this way. Oh my god. Here's something. And there's a unit. It was very heavy rainfall. Hello everyone, so welcome back to another new video. So today we are doing fishing with a fishing net, and I'm with the boys. Come on. Okay. Oh, amazing. So just need to pull and go with the flow. I hope there is no crocodiles. Oh. I hope there is no crocodile. Bad luck.
जाने सुन हेल्ला कति छ
He's a bloody fish hugger. One day 5 times. Okay, 0. This time 0. So Mr. Akash, he can't do this time. So they're willing to find a perfect spot for the fishing. So we are going to that side, a little bit very far, and this spot is a little bit like jungle type, and there is also elephant. I saw it was grazing, and recently so some of the crocodile they attack to the villagers in the front area. So this place is a little bit risky to fishing, but these guys are taking risk, and hats off. Let's go. Come on, Mr. Cat. Come on, come on.
What are you doing, man?
Okay. The boys are making fun of him. Okay. So, and they're also ready to save him. And if there is any crocodile attack. Okay. Oh, the boys are saying there is fish inside. But no, it's still nothing.
No fish.
No fish, bad luck.
I'm so sorry. I think this time he had very good catch. Oh, oh, he caught it. Okay, great. Where is it? Bumpy.
Tiger eel. Swordfish, that's a swordfish.
ना हागले बड़ो कहाँ यहाँ गयो पर दादल पड़न भाई ओ 3 बहुत बादल लाड़े साला जल्दी रे बोतले पर जल्दी रे तकलीफ करवे यार साला कौन टट्टी बसा यार यही अगले अंडे के बाद मैं झाप देला
So they're saying someone has pooped over here, and it's smelling, and they have covered with this water plant. Okay, good catch.
साला ढोंग वाले बाम सुनते मेरे वो ले ले
यहाँ वहाँ नहीं रह जाके खट्टे जाएगा
मेरा रूह कांप गया
So it's moving to different place because there was a poop. Someone pooped there.
गेम बिगड़ा हुआ
दाम में बच रही यार
यहाँ बाबू यो टिपी हाल त हराउँछ यो नि
Wow, this was very good. They got lots of fish. Look. Ooh, voila. So it is starting like a little bit rainfall, and you can see the sun is getting covered with the clouds. It will keep on raining very soon. So, but the boys are still on the mission over here. There we go. So this behind over there is plenty lots of buffalo that are grazing on the field. And just behind me another one, here is a maize. I don't know, have you guys seen the maize in real life or not? So this is from where you will get the corn that you eat. There we go. This is the plant. And this is called the touch me not plant, because if you touch this one, it will close its lips like this. And it has a very tiny throne inside. So maybe, I'm not sure you can see it or not, but you can see from here. So if you touch it, maybe it can spike in your skin. So these all are touch me not plant. Look.
निकाल दो
So in Nepal, if you walk near the river, so you can see a poisonous plant which you can see on the frame. So it is very, very poisonous, and if it gets touched with your skin or eye, it can irritate. And especially there's like a type of milky sap that will come if you break it, or if there's anything leaking. So it is very, very poisonous, and it can cause severe problem like vomiting or stomach pain if eaten, and toxic to the pets and livestock. So this is very dangerous plant, and this is just behind, and this place is full of cover this type of plants and different type of bushes. This guy, you can see he's going to do fishing, so it's a little bit different type of style, and he's putting, what's that, is that earthworm, yeah? So he's putting the earthworm inside the hook, and he's gonna put inside the hole, so maybe there is a hidden eel, so they're gonna eat, and he'll just pull it up when he feel it is eating. So it's a little bit type of tricky, but there is like very big eel inside. And two boys there, they're also still doing. So he put the hook, and he's tying on this metal bar. Oh. Now we'll just go and chill and wait for it. Yeah. It's I think it's gonna be raining very heavy tonight, and it's very lightning, very hard. So we're just trying to do fishing as soon as possible, because this place, I recently heard that there is like an army. They're also coming to stop the people fishing, because lots of people had died by the crocodile attack, and that's why. So we need to be another cautious regarding the army too, and plus there is already crocodile, and it's going to be rain very soon, very heavy rainfall. And if you compare to England, this one is like a crazy rainfall. You will not like be bothered to see in Asia. So this place is completely full of bushes, and this is called elephant grass, and it grows sometime very tall, as the size of even more than my height. Maybe sometime it can go to 10 feet longer when it grows very big. And this has very spiky and like a razor blade, so it can cut you very easily, your skin. So you need to be very careful, and underneath maybe there can be lots of snakes, so this is like completely wild experience. So there is a weird noise coming. I think here is a big snake, maybe a rattlesnake or something. So it's making weird noise, and it stopped making the noise when I came over here. So this is full of elephant grass, this one. So this is the footstep of the elephant. I think the elephant had just walked by from it, and the size is very big as compared to my foot. So over here, and there is also elephant pool that is floating on the water. Oh, it started to lightning. Oh, so yeah, this place is full of damp and swampy, and it is making very dehydrated when they keep on walking for a long time. And so it started to get very windy, and lightning very hard sometimes. So I think we need to run again toward home. So we are going back. So Let's go. So the boys are coming back, and we are heading off to the house. Uh, oh. They are running. Oh, you can hear the noise. Crazy. Oh, crazy. Doggy, let's go. Come home. Ooh, ooh. Ah. Ooh.